What happened on the night that you guys had to evacuate?
We were having dinner. I told my 3-year-old and my 1-year-old that I told them that we're having a fancy candlelight dinner because the power went out. And then we looked outside, we saw a huge fire, and we just packed whatever we can, and we ran out. It was chaos on the streets. People were trying to get out. We thought we're going to come back tomorrow, so we didn't even pack anything. We had nothing. We left everything with our 1-year-old, and my 3-year-old keeps asking me, Mom, when are we going to go home? My mom passed away. I had only a few things of hers left. My wedding dress, our wedding album. We left everything. Our albums, we have just whatever we're wearing. We're wearing the same thing for the last 2 days.
What's next for you, or do you even know what's next?
I'm trying to figure out how to tell my 3-year-old that we don't have a home.